Hi guys, how are you today? I'm at the farm today after a long weekend. So let's have another just arranging my video, my friends, and I will start a topic later. So thank you so much for tuning in. Yeah. So do you like the view of our live streaming today? Oh, okay. So thank you so much for tuning in. And later I will discuss some farming tips. Do you like farming, my friends? Do you like farming? Maybe some people want farming. Uh, me, me. May, paalam mo yung power bank dito. Ay. Power bank. Ay, paalam. Listen! Alam mo yung power bank. So thank you so much for tuning in. And yeah. So again, we have here at our goat farm. So I will show you the building. Yan. That is our uh, goat house, my friends. So we are here at our um, farm today. So once again, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm just show my face today. I'm here at the farm after 5 days of work in the government office. So it's today is Saturday in the Philippines, and I would like to discuss some important tips in farming in the countryside. So farming in the countryside is not easy, but it is satisfying. So first we have this um, goat farm today. Goat farm. So